In this era, a common question is being asked that are we allowed to keep the dog as a pet? Especially, it is very common in Europe, America, Canada, Australia, and even in Asian countries nowadays. Our many grown ups and youths think it's alright to keep the dog as a pet, but the answer is no, it's not. And the evidence to that answer is in Sahih Bukhari. It is narrated by Sufyan bin Abu Zahir Ash-Shani that he heard Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, saying, if somebody keeps a dog that is neither used for farm work nor for guarding the livestock, he will lose one kurat of the reward of his good deeds every day. So as in this Hadith Mubarakah, the only exceptions given are the farm work or the guarding of the livestock, which in these days we can say as for the security purposes. So if it's not for guarding or for security, then we are not allowed to keep the dog as a pet. Hope this answers the questions and clarifies any ambiguity. And Allah knows the best.